Company John Dramani Mahama is currently in the Ashanti region, but there's a rumor circulating by the so-called propagandists, ladies and gentlemen, almost circulate a war, Abe Fontaine Time, so make up Monka Highway, no so say a year private jets are Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama or the Eku Kumasino, or Bo Ghana car. Omona NDC for NCS Ghana Nisika or Maba no be ni me ya almost so ebo Ghana ka afi so we share Ghana ye presidency no omo private jet a omo tukwan omodoko adena John Dramani Mahama amfa Ghana private jet na oko yusu ne private ebusia Ghana fo ni masem kan hey on my way in masem kan fucking. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new here. My name is Emmanuel Cranton. If today is the first time watching our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our video, give us a comment, and share our videos to ladies and gentlemen. You can go to the comment section. You will see a link over there. Tap on the link. It will lead you to our YouTube channel. Then you subscribe our channel for us, ladies and gentlemen. So, we na prempe the first Meka Kumasi airports Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama otumfo asai tutu Ashanti Regional Minister NDC executive any pennyfo bebree omo ewo kame Ghana President John It is all because of Akwesidae. Yes, Akwesidae. Yeah, a festival it is celebrated by the Ashantis to honor the ancestors in every 6 weeks. 6 weeks almost celebrate Akwesidae no in order to honor the ancestors. Yeah, in the Ashanti region. When Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama say this time around an episode in any monyam ekotai Akwesidae nechi emane yefe. Na Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama at the onwane private jets and na ekoko pimu ewo Ashanti region. When it raises some conversations be ewo highway ne so so-called propaganda this no more target John Dramani Mahama say and ya wona oka say o baba ye ne maye ekufa du bo o mine ka na also so baya na also so baba yesa ebusia enye sanity nya botre na yechichi mu. Here we do the fact analysis over here, we explain for you to know. Now according to sources private jet na John Dramani Mahama at the call prempe the first or the Kumasi na ebusia ninuandia remember say ninua ehudi so many. If you talk about some of the billionaires are omo Ghana hanim say in Africa untimi enyi ninua Mahama ne emfri honom Ibrahim Mahama owusika private jets. According to sources no private jet ni dia And currently, as I'm talking to you, Ghana is not having a finance minister because finance minister he is not yet approved in parliament. This is something that is rumor. It is circulating out there. Ghana is not having a finance minister now. Okay, minister or you designate until say he's been approved by Ghana Parliament. He's still not a finance minister. Secondly, Ghana in ready budget. President Mahama or we didn't basis or no prepare budget and call parliament and only mean VCKB and top private jets as what people are saying. It's so funny, ladies and gentlemen. May say we share climax news. I have say we will break it down for you to know, for you to get the insight about what is happening. We don't just read news for you, but we divert it, we bisect it for you to know. Now, and I feel so third. Ladies and gentlemen, private jets no say na msika no private jets no ni nuadia. Private jets ni nuadia. You see, President Jandam Mahama is trying to do his best. He is trying to do his best, ladies and gentlemen, to cut the costs, okay, of government, because that is one thing Jandam Mahama focus here. Also about cutting the cost of government. Okay, when one first states private jets anko. Now say or they or no one private jet to Kwaha. What is the wrong about that? Or where is the criticisms? Why are Ghanaians criticizing him? Hey, oh my way. Ladies and gentlemen, so that is how the situation is, or that is how the story is. Senya Krofoni would be dinner no. It is speculation. They are just assuming things that are not true. That is the truth that we are telling you. Okay, John Mahama on koto private jet bia emfanko Kumasi Akwesidae on koto private jet bia. People are just assuming, because how can you say what about office 7th? There are a lot of appointees on appointees, over 700 appointees on we. Now we free him from Tamsika de koto private jets. Hey, Ghana. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are new here. My name is Emmanuel Cranton. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section. Have a good evening.